Hi guys, this is Raz. You're on my balcony, and behind me there is the wall that I'm very close to finish. If you were watching my videos, this is my balcony where I keep my orchard, citrus orchard, and my inside jungle, and I want to show you today the step 2 of the wall, and also I'm gonna finish it and I'm gonna show you the step 3 and the final step and the way it's gonna look at the end. What I discovered after ruining a couple of sponges, what I discovered is that let me turn the video around. After trying to clean it with soap and water, with detergent and water, the cement, the red cement that I used, actually it's a sort of grout, it's still not washing off. So I'm gonna use Ajax. I hope you can see it. Yes, I'm gonna use Ajax for washing the windows, and I'm hoping that I will be able to remove it much faster. I'll keep you posted. Start the phase 2, which is trying to wash one more time and final time the wall with Ajax, the window cleaner. Let me show you how my wall looks like right now. Sorry for my voice, it's very hot here, and it's a little bit dusty. Trying to adjust the light for you. That's the victim, that's the second sponge that got ruined in the process. That's my trustful leather. Sorry for the mess, but this is how it is when you are decorating or redecorating your house. And that's of course the bathroom window. It's gonna be looking very nice, hopefully, despite the fact that I cannot clean all the bricks. But let's see how it's gonna look like before I apply the stone polish. I'm back after phase 2 is over. I washed as much as I could. I tried to straighten up the lines and to make it clear. And now I'm gonna prepare the polish, and hopefully in half an hour or so I will be done and I can show you the end result. Yes, the victim, the sponge is still there. Maybe I have to use it to clean it. But this is how the wall looks like after cleaning it. I hope the light is good and you can see my masterpiece. Okay, we'll be back after phase 3, which is the polish. I'm back. Phase 3 is complete. I used a stone polish, as I told you I will. I used a thinner as well, and the polish was not so thick, so I could easily just do it with a brush. So it was very easy as a process, but quite long because I had to take my time to ensure that I have all the spots covered. And this is the wall, this is the final product, phase 3 complete, but there is a phase 4 as well. Okay, what you can see over there, I put some wood because there is a slight inclination, and if I put any pot it's gonna fall down. So I tried to level it a little behind, and I also tried to put I know, don't say it, it's not the same color as the wall, but plants will cover it, so greenery will be there, and hopefully it's not gonna look so ugly. Yeah, it's not gonna ruin this British wall, as I was told it resembles. So phase 3 over. Let me go closer. Let me also zoom in. No, not zoom in, just go closer and make sure that it's focused. As you can see, hopefully you can see, there is a nice polish on it, and it's not perfect, but I like the look of it. I like the fact that it looks real. It doesn't look like, you know, on a cover of a magazine or something, but it just looks real. And why it's so purple now? Okay, I hope the final video will not show it so purple. So yes, better light now. This is my brick wall on my balcony, and I'm very proud of my work. My left hand, arm, shoulder and half of my back is in excruciating pain but it's completely worth it. I'm so happy. Okay, maybe I'm a little bit high because of the smell, but the smell of the thinner, I mean. But I'm happy, guys. I'm happy, and I'm happy to share this with you. I'll be back again, once again, in a short while, because I want to show you a few plants placed over there. So now my voice is better, but I'm a little bit high from the smell. Yay! I'll be back. Don't laugh too hard on my expense, yeah? So this is it, guys. This is phase 4 and the final phase of my wall. As you can see, I managed to repot a few plants and place them over there. They are not falling, they are standing almost straight, so the water will stay straight in their trays. I'm so happy with it. And look at the wall, how it's shining in the light, in the evening light. And I have to clean the balcony soon and prepare it slowly for winter. What do I mean by that? I will have to put the lights to the shelves. So over there I will have to place lights and make sure the plants, and especially the calamansi orchard, my jungle, it's gonna have sufficient light during the day. And I have to make sure that I'm going to close the windows every evening and open them only in the morning, because during the night it's getting colder. So it's the beginning of autumn. Autumn is here. This is my orchard, my inside orchard. You have seen it before, but now you see it in a different light. It's doing quite well. I've managed to keep under control the different deficiencies the plants had. The leaves are mostly clean. I managed to keep under the control some white fly infestation, sort of. And now I'm ready to accommodate a few of them inside, and hopefully the balcony will not be very cold during the winter. It's closed, it's insulated with styrofoam, so let's see what the temperature is going to be looking like in a few months from now. Over here you have my Madagascar jasmine. If you want to see how it looks like right now, it's climbing up and up and up and up. I had to cut its edge over here. Look, she wants to go further, but I have no more trellis to offer to her. And I'm gonna place, speaking of temperature, it's always good to have a thermometer next to your plants or in your main plant room, and ensure that your plants have the best temperature. I do not know how I'm going to manage the refreshing the air during the winter, but I'll have to do it just a few minutes per day and open the window in the other parts of the apartment and not over here, because during the winter I do not have the possibility to move all these plants inside. You might be wondering what I have here. I told you I'm gonna cover this part with plants slowly but surely. I have the photos plant. It's just a regular type. I wish I have a variegated one, long like this and nice like this, but it's just rooting right now. I have a prayer plant. This is the prayer plant. It's very beautiful. It almost died on me, but I managed to make it survive. And I forgot how this plant it's called. This one, it's not falling down. I mean, the leaves are not falling down, but she doesn't like direct sun, so I just put it there. Hopefully she's gonna do all right with no direct sun. So this is it. This is my wall. For the steps, I'm going to write exactly in the description what I did, how I did it. I hope you enjoy my work, and I'm gonna take some pictures. You'll have a better perspective. This is it, over and out for this home decor video. I hope you really like what I managed to do from my balcony, and I'm gonna post more picture once I place a few things hanging on this British wall. This is my own British wall. Bye bye, over and out, and happy planting.